Hi guys, it's the Hobby Dabbler here. I decided instead of going through all 20 pounds of the 20-pound lot from eBay with you on video, I would go through and pick out kind of more of the interesting coins because there was a lot of duplicates and a lot of really common stuff that you would find in Europe. So I'm going to go through the ones that I thought were kind of more interesting, and let's start. So here is a nice lizard from New Zealand. Oh, I'm sorry, it's from Australia. This one I don't have. A lot of these I don't have in my collection. I believe it's from Thailand. This one is from the Philippines, 1972. It's a really big one. This is a cute little pig from 1975, and it's from Bermuda. This one is from the East Caribbean states from 1981. This one is from 1975. It's the Food for All coin, and it's from Swaziland. This one I'm not 100% sure where it's from. If you know, let me know in the comments. It says, it's gotta be maybe Russian. I'm not 100% sure. This one has wheat. It's from Uruguay, 1981. This one is one franc from Luxembourg. So I don't have any coins from Luxembourg. So that was a nice find. This one's from Singapore. And it's a little seahorse. Singapore has beautiful money. Beautiful coins anyway. I'm not sure what their bills look like. This one is from Cyprus. This one with the three-headed dog is from India. This guy is from Norway, 5 ore. This one is from Trinidad and Tobago from 1966. This one's 10. Orap Island. This might be Iceland. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to look that one up on Coinoscope. This one's from Czechoslovakia. Oop, upside down. 1976. So most of the coins in this group were from the late 60s and 70s. This one is another one. It's quite dirty. It's from Thailand. This is a big one from Israel. This one's from Jamaica, 1969. Has a nice floral pattern. This one's Kroner Island again, so I think that's Iceland, but I do have to look it up. It has dolphins, which I really like the animal coins. This one's nice. It is from Socialist Romania. This one. Not sure where that one's from, but I don't think I have it in my collection. This one's from Brazil. It's nice, shiny. It almost, again, looks like a proof. It doesn't have any scratches on it, and it's quite shiny. It's bamboo, it looks like. one is from Yugoslavia. So there's flame. This one is from Kenya. So that's a different one. I definitely don't have that one. This one's from Indonesia. That one's a nice one. I like that. Oh, this is the same one we had. I'm not 100% sure where it's from. This is from New Zealand. This is from West Africa. It's got a nice woman there. This one is from Kenya. This one's from Ecuador. This one's from French Polynesia. Come on, focus up. This one is Lebanon. I'm not even sure where that one is. This one I like again. It's got the animal. West Africa. Here's another two-headed dog from India. This one with the Sakura blossoms. This one's from Israel. This one is Brazil. This one is Yugoslavia again. This is a big one again from Thailand. This one is from India. I like the coins that have different shapes. That one. This one's from China, so we've seen some of these already. This little guy, I'm not really sure where it's from. It says 1380 on it, so I don't think it's from the 1380s. There must be another date on it. Not sure, but I don't have that one in my collection. This is another one from Kenya, another big one. And the rest, I believe, we've already seen. So that was kind of the highlights from the lot on eBay. The lot in total was a bit disappointing. There's maybe 30, 40 coins that I might add to my collection from 20 pounds, which isn't fantastic, but you know, you never know what you're going to get, and it was fun going through them anyway. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the videos, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.